Fans of the challenge can experience the show in a whole new way during season 37 thanks to MTV's new Fantasy League, which will give viewers the chance to win prizes, interact with the cast and more. Season 37 of the challenge, Spies, Lies and Allies premieres on August 11th, and MTV is giving fans a chance to get involved with the show like never before this time around. Ahead of the season premiere, the challenge is launching its very own Fantasy League, Hollywood Life can exclusively reveal. This is the perfect opportunity for viewers of the show to get in on the action. Sign-ups for the Challenge Fantasy League begin on Wednesday, August 4th at www.thechallengefantasy.com. The Fantasy League will give fanatics of the challenge the opportunity to compete against each other, win prizes, become a challenge champion and engage with the cast like never before, according to MTV. Viewers will get the opportunity to pick 6 contestants from the challenge, Spies, Lies and Allies to be on their team, and will get points based on the players' performances in each episode. There are opportunities to join leagues and compete against other challenge fans, or, users can start their own private league to go up against their friends. The challenge, Spies, Lies and Allies is taking the show to places it's never been before, with 17 contestants from the United States and 17 international contestants. Plus, this season only features 15 veteran players, with 19 newbies coming to the show for the very first time. Players hail from all different shows, including Survivor, Love Island, Big Brother, Paradise Hotel and more. Following the challenge, Double Agents, this new season of the show will test players like never before. New episodes of the challenge, Spies, Lies and Allies will air every Wednesday, beginning August 11th, at 8 p.m. on MTV.